the black box decision making, catastrophic forgetting, hallucinations, incredibly large model size, and massive energy consumption. Even if people know of these problems and know of neural networks, I've talked with a lot of technical people and technical VCs and things like that. They seem to think that this is the only way to go about it, the only way to do machine learning or AI, when in reality, neural networks and LLMs are actually a very small part of the machine learning world. Actually, there should probably be even another bubble in here that only calls out LLMs. And effectively, if you've heard of it, anyone doing anything, it probably fits into this bubble over here. Does that work? There we go. We can see it. Awesome. So yeah, there's a bunch of focus on everything over here, but we live in this world. So everything that we focus on is essentially entirely different types of machine learning tools. They're entirely explainable, auditable. They can do a lot of really interesting things that the things on this side of the table just fundamentally cannot do. And so that's what we're researching and exploring. And so the stuff on this side of the table can do things like we've got the explainability, the transparent decision making, which is where the name of the company comes from. We can do online reinforcement learning with no catastrophic forgetting. Discrete knowledge share is pretty interesting. If anyone knows about how these machine learning models are trained, they're trained on all data at once. But if you ever wanted to like learn what part of the model is the part that determines the picture is an apple, you don't get to separate that part out. You actually have to share the entire model between different entities. We've also got really small model sizes and low energy consumption, things like running on Raspberry Pis and stuff like that.